This video is about greatest common factor. The greatest common factor talks about the relationship between certain numbers. We're going to be using the rainbow method to find the greatest common factor between two numbers. The two numbers we're going to use today are 20 and 12. Let's begin with 20 first, and we're going to simply list all the factors that can go into 20 evenly. We always like to start with a 1 and the 20. So we know that these two factors added together, multiplied together, would give you 20. Let's try 2. And we know that 2 and 10 multiplied together would give you 20. 3 doesn't go into 20 evenly, so we'll skip that number. The next factor that can go into 20 evenly would be 4. And we know 4 times 5 equals 20. 6 does not go into 20 evenly. 7 does not go into 20 evenly. 8 and 9 do not go into 20 evenly. So we have all the factors of 20 listed in the rainbow method. And this is why we call it the rainbow method, because each set of factors creates a half a circle shape. Let's move down to 12 and list the factors for 12. We always start with 1 and the actual product. There's our first rainbow stripe. Then 2 and 6. We know 3 and 4. We know that 5 can't go into 12 evenly, and then we're repeating with 6. So we know we have all the factors. So after you make your rainbows of each of the products, you have to find the common factors in both rainbows. I see a 2. I also see a 4 that they have in common. And I don't see any other factors that they both have in common. So as we go to the greatest common factor, we notice the word greatest, which means largest. So between the 2 and the 4, we know 4 would be the greatest common factor.